Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Philo TV subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly end your service and prevent future charges. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Philo TV website. Log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Click on your account icon or profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select account or subscription from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 4. Scroll down to the subscription or billing section where you can manage your membership details. Step 5. Look for the Cancel Subscription or End Membership option and click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 6. Philo may ask you to provide feedback about why you are canceling. Select a reason from the list or skip this step if optional. Step 7. Confirm the cancellation by following all on-screen prompts. Your service will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. Step 8. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Philo TV. Save this email as proof of your cancellation. Log back into your account to verify that your subscription status displays as canceled. If you change your mind, you can resubscribe at any time with the same account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.